you a DIY deep conditioner, pre-poo, leave-in. People say you can leave it in, but it only costs $1.99 and it works great. So if you want to see what that is, stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to be using the aloe vera leaf. I got it from the market and it only cost $1.99. So you're going to cut the end off. Make sure you got a good knife. I'm going to use all of this because I had it for at least a week now. So I cut both ends off. I'm going to try to cut the sides off without cutting too much. After I cut all this up, I'm going to blend it. I don't have a strainer, so I'm just going to try to blend it as good as possible to get all the chunks out. So, now that we got all the edges cut off, I'm going to slice it in half. It do stink. It smells like onions to me. So, here's all the goodness inside. So we're gonna, you can use a butter knife or a spoon. I'm gonna do a spoon, and I'm just gonna straight dump it inside here. Scrape it. You don't have to use all of it. I am. And I'm going to add my rice water to the rest of this. Because I want to put it in a spray bottle and spray it on my hair to make it easier. You don't have to do it that way, but that's the way that I'm going to do it. And I'm going to add olive oil and grapeseed oil. And try to get it all off as much as you can without scraping the leaf. I see a lot of people videos say that you don't want to get the leaf in there. But I've seen people blend the whole leaf up, so I don't know. So I got majority of it off. I'm going to use it in my hair for pre-poo, and then I'm going to use it for after too. So here goes my second piece. A lot of people just cut a little bit, put it in the refrigerator, or I've seen people actually freeze it too. So it's up to you, whichever way you want to store it. But like I was saying, the leaf only costs $1.99. You can't go bad. You can use it on your face, your hair. It's a really good conditioner and it promotes hair growth. So it's a win-win. That's the second one. Got all that off. So this is how much gel I got from that big leaf. And this here is rice water. Put that in there. Add a little olive oil. And grapeseed oil. This was the olive oil, just regular olive oil. And now I'm gonna blend this up, so I'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, this is the finished product. It smells good. It doesn't stink because I got essential oils in the rice water, so that's all you smell. So I'm gonna pour this in here. just so it can be easier for me to pour it back in the bottle. So this is my spray bottle that I'm going to use. So I'm going to just pour this back in here. And this is what I'm going to be applying the aloe with. A spray bottle. I see some people just cut it and rub it in their hair. But I just think it'd be easier to spray. So this is the way that I'm going to be doing my aloe vera. So I'm going to do a part 2 to this video, and the part 2 will be me actually using it, so showing you how good it works or if it don't work to you. But yeah, so yeah, this is my DIY for a deep conditioner and a pre-poo using aloe vera leaf. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thank you.